From the world's most efficient solar cells to the world's largest solar power plants, from individual homes and communities to commercial businesses and utilities, SunPower has been innovating, designing, manufacturing, and installing proven solar technology for over 20 years. Some of the most successful organizations choose SunPower. We have offices located around the globe and hold over 85 industry patents. SunPower solar cells generate up to 50% more power than conventional cells. Our high-performance solar panels, roof tiles, and tracking systems deliver significantly more energy than conventional systems. SunPower panels have an attractive all-black appearance and are backed by a 25-year power output and 10-year manufacturer's warranty. At SunPower, we see a future where solar power is an essential component of the global energy mix. We work every day to achieve world-class quality through operational excellence, continual improvement, and satisfying customer needs in everything we do.